Are you tired of studying for hours, only to forget everything the next day? It's time to master the art of smart studying. In this video, we'll reveal the top techniques to help you study smarter and retain information longer. Tip 1. Create a study schedule. Set aside dedicated time each day to study specific subjects. Stick to your schedule and avoid cramming at the last minute. Tip 2. Take short breaks. Studies have shown that short breaks while studying can actually improve your focus and retention. Try the Pomodoro technique: 25 minutes of focused studying followed by a 5-minute break. Tip 3. Make use of technology. There are plenty of apps and websites that can help you study more effectively. Use flashcards apps like Quizlet to quiz yourself on key concepts and practice problem solving with online tools. Tip 4. Use active learning strategies. Instead of simply rereading your notes, engage with the material actively. Summarize the key points in your own words, teach the concepts to a friend, or create mind maps to organize your thoughts. Tip 5. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet and comfortable study environment. Turn off your phone or put it on airplane mode to resist the temptation of social media notifications. Tip 6. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory retention. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your brain's ability to learn and retain information. By implementing these techniques, you can take your study game to the next level and achieve better results. So, start studying smarter today and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.